All right, let's go. What's up, YouTube? My name is Ty, financial professional. Welcome to my channel. All right, what up, everyone? What up, Ken? What's up? Where's the, there we go.
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Volume good? I turned the volume up, so hopefully that's sufficient. Okay. Today is Thursday, October 5th, 2023. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Gambling. Today we're doing the show from Ramenistan. Good. Not all so bad. Slightly bearish day. All major indexes slightly in the red here. Nasdaq got hit the worst, but yeah, not the worst thing. But everything finishes in the red, all major indexes. So we're gonna do the show from Ramenistan today. Hope you guys didn't get wrecked too hard. Me personally, I did pretty good. Not bad at all for a rainbow bear. But we'll get to that shortly. All right, what up, Bizzlebub? What's up?
Hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you. Ford was down pretty bad too, but it recovered a little. Yeah, I wish I got some news about GM. Stay tuned for that. But Ford probably trading in sympathy with GM. All that, all of those car companies. Strike is going on. All right. So, what do we have planned for today? Honestly, should be pretty short and chill show. Probably not as short as yesterday. Yesterday was really short. It was like 45 minutes. Not much going on. But today there's more content to go over, and hopefully live, more live trading. But as always, we'll be doing our daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today. I am in the green, so there's that. Today we got 3 articles. One about GM, one about Rivian, and one about the 10-year Treasury yield bonds. Today for the TA, as you see in the title, we're only going to do, well, as of right now, we only got Rivian planned. And I guess we can do AVTX as well. But the main thing is Rivian down about 23% because of a huge offering. So super good there. And then possibly AVTX that was up 15% today. But definitely Rivian, maybe AVTX, and anything else you guys want me to look at, let me know. And then we'll finish up with our YOLOs. We have 5 YOLOs today. So pretty good stuff on Wall Street bets over there. But yeah, not too much plans, some decent content. And we'll see how the live rental bearing goes. But yep, that's all I got for the intro. So let's get started here. All right, let's go. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. All right, let's go. So, post-market here, not much going on. There's a AGRI. That's already up 27%, but still going post-market here, up to 36%. And other than that, really not much going on. Yep, so pretty slow post-market so far. What's this? CL. Some action on CLNN, but yeah, nothing really happening. CLNN. Okay, so really the only thing moving is AGRI. Up about 15%, 14%. Yep, that's it for now. So that's pushing 16 now, but I'm trying to short that at 23, so a long way to go. Anyway. Got some action here. Or VLP. Alright, well, looks like not much aftermarket action going on, so we will come back to this. Alright, let's get to my plays today. And got to adjust this. Give me 1 second. Alright, so 9 plays today and still holding 7. Alright, so yeah, should be pretty quick. Let's do it. LIFW up 105. PIXY up 660. Big pullback there, much needed. VACC up 430. ICU currently up 575. Crazy price action on that stock today, but currently up 575 here. VVOS down 130. WNW up 245. And CEI up 170. Oh, and then OGEN made about 600 there, and MSGM made about 600 there. So, yeah, pretty nice day for me. As of right now, I am up almost 2,300, 2,200 and change. 2,100 and change now. So over 2K for me today. I mean, I'll take it. I'll definitely take it. Alright, some weird stuff going on with PIXY here. Anyway, yeah, I'm up over 2K. So, let's go. But yeah, not much happening today. Pretty slow. Overall, pretty slow. So I'm still holding bags on LFIW. I don't know what's going on with PIXY. That's actually reversing now. Doing some crazy stuff here post-market. Alright. So, still bag holding LFIW. Big bag on PIXY. Especially, and it's going up post-market here. No idea why. But that's supposed to reverse split in a week. So hopefully I don't get squeezed out before then. VACC still holding a bag, and ICU still holding a big bag. So hopefully those sell off soon. But, yeah. Up 2K today, very nice. So let's go back to, let's do another scan. So AGRI is up to 17 now. Alright, we got some action here. CMRA. Alright, CMRA moving here. All right, I'm gonna go for 49 cents on that. Got a way to go, but I'm gonna try to get this at 49. All right, order in CMRA 49 cents. Currently pushing 36. All right, yeah, nothing really going on. Still AGRI, CMRA, and RVLP is moving a little bit too. Put in an order there just in case. So RVLP is up 15% now. Gonna short that at 23. Doubt it's gonna get there, but we'll see. Okay. So, yeah, we are watching AGRI, CMRA, CLNN, and CMRA. Okay. What up, Koya? What's up?
Hey, hey, hey. What's up?
Thanks for being here, dude. Appreciate you, as always. Any plays? Not really. Kind of slow. But like I just said, AGRI, CMRA. Keep an eye on those. Still in ICU? Yes. And fortunately, that did come back down to 56 now. So, crazy day. It was at 50, and then went up to 70, and now back down to 56. So, I am in the green there, fortunately, today. But crazy price action. Yes. But as of right now, no plays. But yes, keep an eye on CMRA. That is getting up there. And AGRI is also moving quite a bit. Alright, let's get to the watch list. Alright. Cool, let's do it. Alright, the Dow Jones down. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Dow Jones down 0.03%. NASDAQ down 0.36%. So tech getting hit the hardest today. And SPY down 0.04%. So yeah, not the worst day, but slightly bearish day, I would say, at first glance. VIX is down 0.48%, down 0.09 points, or at 18.49 VIX now, which is still pretty stable. Still below average. So overall, the market is still bullish and stable, but you know, it is getting a little volatile here, so we should be a little concerned. But nothing to worry about too much just yet. Alright, let's check out the watch list here. So CEI, that's up 46%. Full disclosure, I did short that. But, let's see here. So really not that much price action, even on the growth side. Don't see too much growth here, but Toyota's up 2.1%, Disney 1.9%, Nvidia 1.5, Coinbase 1.6, TD 1.5. Here comes a siren. There's AT&T, Verizon, Wells Fargo, Apple, American Express. It looks like financials are up, communications are up. There's Chevron, Bank of America, JP Morgan, Microsoft. So, yeah, not that much price. Not that many stocks in the green, honestly, and definitely not that much price action. So it does appear like financials and communications are really holding up the whole market. And on the red side, all right. So red side, actually also not that much price action, but more price action on this side than the green side. We got GM down 2.4%. Got an article about that. Exxon 2.3. Domino's 2.1. McDonald's 1.4. Target 1.4. Walmart 1.2. Netflix 1.2. AMD 1.1. Amazon 0.8. eBay 0.8. Ford 0.8. Alright, so yeah, not the most price action today, but definitely more stocks in the red and more price action in the red, especially, well, growth and value, but value definitely has more weight here. All right, man, here comes a fire truck. So, yeah, overall, not that bad, but slightly bearish day. Slightly bearish to bearish day in the stock market. So, go. Good. Hope it wasn't too bad for you guys. But really the only people really making money today are the rainbow bears. Pretty tough to make it as a boomer or an ape today, as a bull. But some pretty decent tendies for the rainbow bears. Let's go. Alright, let's do another scan here. Alright, so CMRA is up to... Yeah, that's already pulling back. Yeah, not much going on here post-market. Still just really AGRI. Alright, let's get on to crypto and the news. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Okay. Let's give this a second here. Finish loading. Alright, let's do it. Alright, so here's crypto. That is down 0.76% today. Good. So slightly bearish day here in crypto. Let's check it out. So we got Bitcoin down 0.9%. So it broke 28K. Ether down 1.7%, pushing 1600. Binance down 1%. XRP 1.7. Solana 1.2. Cardano is up 2%. Toncoin up 6.2%. But not that much price action, it seems like. Pretty uneventful day. Let's sort this out. Alright, so biggest gainer is Toncoin, 6.2%. Not that many coins in the green, to be honest. Maybe 40... No, maybe 25% of the coins in the green. So nothing double digits. Biggest gainer is Toncoin. And that's the biggest value gainer as well. And then we got Cardano, 2%. And Litecoin, 1.4%. And Avalanche, 1%. Monero. So there's some pretty decent value here. But, yeah, 75% of the coins in the red. Also not that much price action. Gala's biggest loser, 6.2%. And we got Polygon here, biggest value loser, 2.5%. We got Ether here, 1.7%. And XRP, 1.7%. So, yeah, overall, more value in the green. Not that much price action both sides, but more value in the green. And way more stocks in the red. So, overall, slightly bearish day. But really not that bad. So, yeah, slightly bearish day, stock market, slightly bearish day, crypto. So, overall good, but really shouldn't have been that bad. Hang in there, guys. And hopefully somehow you made money. Wow, PIXY. What a volatile stock here. So, I don't know why, but it just mooned up to 140 post-market real quick, and now it's selling off. So now it's at 128. I'll take it. I'll take it. So now I'm 3,100. All right. Nice. Nice. So I was up over 2K to start the post market, and now I'm actually up over 3K. Let's go. Nice. Yeah, WNW is pulling back here. Post market. All right, there's crypto, guys. Can you look at NUVL? Do you think it goes below 1 type PIXY? Not financial advice, but yeah, it reverse splits in 1 week. October 16th, if I'm not mistaken. So the only reason why I'm so mad, like the thing was about a reverse split, and then they delayed the reverse split by two weeks. Yeah, so October 16th is when it reverse splits. Can we hold it into reverse split? Yeah, absolutely. You should, matter of fact. So it should have tanked. It did not tank because apparently the CEO donated his shares. So I don't know why that requires you to delay the split by 2 weeks, but sure. So he was gonna donate his shares. It mooned. So it should tank in 1 week when it reverse splits. So that's what I'm hoping. And I can unload the bag here, but even if it doesn't, this should start to bleed. Anyway, yes, I definitely think it goes below 1, but it's gonna reverse split. I don't even know for how much, but it's not gonna be at 1 when it reverse splits. But yes, it should come back. It should come back hard. And sure, we'll look at NUVL. But, yeah, PIXY is probably due for a massive pullback. I say probably, because it is going to reverse split, in 1 week. Okay. So, let's get to the news now. All right. So 3 articles today. One about about bonds, the 10-year yield. One about GM, and one about Rivian. And then we'll get into the Rivian TA. All right, let's do it. So first one, why borrowing costs for nearly everything are surging and what it means for you. All right. At the center of the storm of this week's market turmoil is the 10-year Treasury yield, one of the most influential numbers in finance. The yield, which represents borrowing costs for issuers of bonds, has climbed steadily in the recent weeks and reached 4.8% Tuesday, a level last seen just before the 2008 financial crisis. Unfortunately, I do think there has to be some pain for the average American now, said Lindsay Rosner, head of multi-sector investing at Goldman Sachs, Asset and Wealth Management. All right, so yeah, bonds are still going up, and this is not a good thing. This is bearish. So yeah, highest 10-year yield in 15 years, and this was the highest since right before the last mega crash, 2008 recession. So yeah, this is not bullish at all. This is bearish. So, I'm not going to make any predictions, but it certainly doesn't look good for the overall macro economy. The 10-year yield reaching record high in 15 years. Float is so low, bro, and people are pegging this Pixie stock above 130. I'm not going to go as far as to say that they're pegging it. I'm not saying they're not. But, I mean, something like SLNO is definitely being pegged. Something like FEMY is definitely being pegged. PIXY, there's no hedge funds publicly saying that they're buying this. But yeah, really low float, and it's going to reverse split. So imagine what the float's going to be after it reverse splits. But yeah, I'm not too worried about it. Just mad that I'm mad how it turned out, that they canceled the reverse split for 2 weeks and then it moons. Like, what the hell, bro? Anyway, that's what happens when you speculate. Alright, so, yeah, hopefully... So, bad news. Hopefully it doesn't turn into anything. But we should be pretty scared about this. Record 10-year yield in 15 years. Alright, next one. GM's stock hits 3-year low amid UAW strike, potential airbag recall. General Motors stock price fell below $30 a share Thursday for the first time in more than 3 years. The most recent decline is amid a UAW strike and a new report involving a potentially costly airbag part that the government says should be recalled. Last time shares of GM dropped below 30 a share intraday trading was October 2nd, 2020. Alright, so yeah, this is still happening. UAW strike, and these companies are starting to feel the effect. I saw Ford got hit pretty hard too. Probably just a sympathy play, but yeah, not good for the automakers. Strike still going on, so doesn't look good in the short term. Alright, and next one. Rivian shares fell over 20% as the EV maker said it plans to raise $1.5 billion. Alright, Rivian Automotive plans to offer $1.5 billion in convertible notes. Rivian says it expects its third quarter revenue to come in between $1.29 billion and $1.33 billion, roughly in line with Wall Street estimates. It also estimated that it had cash equivalents of $9.1 billion as of September 30th. Alright, so they have a lot of money on hand, and I guess they're burning a lot of money too. So yeah, $1.5 billion capital raise. That is a lot of money. But that's a good segue into RTA. We're gonna look at it right now. Let me just pull up our YOLOs. Let that load. All right, let's do some TA. Well, let's do a scan first. All right, looks like still nothing happening. All right, let's get to TA. So, Rivian. Man, this was at 180 at the high. Imagine you bought above 100. All right, so TA. So there is a gap here to be filled at 17. Whatever this is, 1675. So that's bearish. RSI's at 45, 46, so that is pretty fair market value. Maybe a little bit bullish there. But yeah, 18 bucks, 18.50 is probably fair market value. MACD is crossing to the downside, so that's bearish. And maybe this is a cup and handle longer term to 36. But yeah, I think in the immediate short term to short term, this is going to continue to bleed to at least 1675. I think that's where the gap is. So I do expect the gap to fill, and I don't know how much lower it's going to go below that. But yeah, I do expect the gap to fill before this starts to recover. I think longer term, this is a bullish stock. I'm not saying go all in or anything, but it is a growth stock, and it is, backed by Amazon. So I think long term, it is going to go up. But in the short term, probably going to pull back to 1675 and maybe lower. So certainly wouldn't go long at this point. And I guess if you go short, that is some decent downside. It's maybe 10% downside. So it's not the greatest entry at 18 bucks, but you should be able to make about 10% here, at least to the downside, if/when this pulls back down to 1675. So yeah, I don't recommend going long. Going short, not the best play, not that exciting, not the most price action, but should be able to make about a 10% here to the downside relatively easily. So I can't support going short here, covering anywhere at 1675 and lower. So yeah, not the greatest play, but should be some relatively safe downside gains here. So yeah, don't go long, go short, cover 1675. Not financial advice. All right, and then I think AVTX was the next one, and yes, and then we'll do NUVL, and then we'll get on to our YOLOs. So AVTX, not much to say about this. Looks like it's starting to reverse from the low of 8 cents. So this can potentially come back up to 80 in the short term, maybe even 90. But careful with this one. It is biotech, anything can happen, but RSI currently at 33, so pretty much oversold, undervalued. Good price here at 16 to get in. And there is a gap down at 385. I doubt it's coming back there anytime soon, but some pretty bullish indicators here on the chart. Gap down, cup and handle, MACD, RSI. So I do like a buy here it's actually going back post-market here to 15. That's a pretty significant drop. Anyway, so I like a long here as a day trade / swing trade. Wouldn't hold on to it for that long. Longer term, probably bearish. But you should be able to catch some upside potential here on a day / swing trade going long. So certainly wouldn't go short. Would not long term hold this, but you can make some tendies to the upside, again, on a swing trade. So I like going long. I can't really tell you where to sell, but looks pretty bullish from the chart here. So I like going long for a swing trade. All right, let's do NUVL. And get on to our YOLOs. All right. Interesting. So what, yearly high here? RSI at 73, overbought, overvalued, volume up there, bearish. MACD crossed to the upside, that's bullish now. But this is mid cap. So I guess they had good news here, and then they got upgrades by JP Morgan and BMO Capital and Wedbush. All right, so yeah, good PR. Yeah, so they had good PR and then a bunch of upgrades, and now it's at a yearly high. So I wouldn't personally mess with this. I don't like shorting mid cap stuff, but are there shares available for this? Let's see. There are plenty of shares available, 220K. So I would not mess with this, long or short. Probably do for a pullback, but you know, based on the indicators, it does look bearish, at least in the short term. But yeah, it's being upgraded by the hedge funds. I would not mess with the hedge funds. So this one might also be, probably is being manipulated as well by the hedge funds right now. So I'll just stay. I'd stay away, long and short. Anything can happen here. They can peg it, keep running it, or they can let it tank. So probably best to avoid this altogether on the long and short side. But it appears like longer term, probably a buy and hold. Anyway, yeah, I think best to avoid this altogether. I would not touch it. Looks bearish on the chart, but, you know, manipulated hedge funds in here, institutions, so I would not touch it. All right, cool. So that's all the TA for today. Let's do another scan and get on to our YOLOs. So we got some action here. LODE, load. A lot of shares. All right, not going to go for that. All right, well, cool. I guess we're getting on to our YOLOs. Losing some connection here. Hold on. Alright, OBS is having some problem with the connection right now. This kind of sucks. Come on, bro. Alright, that's better. There we go, reconnected. Well, it's green now, so hopefully it's better. Alright, let's get to our YOLOs. Yeah, the connection isn't that great, and frames are dropping. Alright, that's better. It's getting better. Anyway, a few frames here are dropping, so hopefully that fixes itself, but the connection isn't that great at the moment. Anyway, on with the show. Alright guys, so 5 YOLOs today. Should be done pretty quick. Should be out of here in 10-15 minutes, so another very short show today. That's alright. Alright, let's do it. We got some gain corn and some lost corn. First one by Muddy Spartan 117. 2100 to 232K in 1 month. What the actual hell? Trading a lot of QQQ and SPY 0-day and 1-day expiration and meta puts on Fridays after high of the day. Alright. So, this is really, really unbelievable. Do not think this is going to happen to you. It most likely will not. From the looks of it, the guy just got extremely lucky over and over and over. Don't know how many times, but yeah, do not think you can run $2,100 to over 200,000 in a month. That is highly, highly unlikely. Not typical. I'm happy for this guy, but you know what, dude? I'd stop while you're ahead, because trading QQQ and SPY FDs and meta FDs is not. Yeah, just trading FDs are not a good long-term strategy. So, I believe this is luck. Probably a little skill, but mostly luck. So, yeah, dude, you should probably cash out while you're ahead. That is a massive, massive gain. What, 1,000% gain? Yeah, dude. Hold on 1 second. Let me, My bad. Just had to text my girlfriend. Alright, so, yes. Super FDing here. Not typical at all. Lucky. Lucky son of a gun. Okay. Cool. So, yeah, congratulations, dude. Fat gain. Quit while you're ahead. And probably just buy shares of SPY and QQQ. How about that? And Meta. And you'll be good for probably your whole life. Anyway, congrats. Do not attempt this. Not likely. And yeah, dude. You should probably just cash in and stop gambling. But congrats. Alright, next one by Pandora. Oh, Paradox Ox. Am I a genius? Alright, so he made 7.5K today on 17.5K. So that's a pretty fat gain. 40%, something like that. So he ran his account from 18.5K to 26K. So he went all in and made a lot of money. And he says what he did. Anyway, so, so he bought 3 puts at 43. He bought 2 more at 23, and it went to 15. And then it shut up, and he sold at 50. Anyway, so, and he's being sarcastic. So, he knows he's gambling. So, basically, he ran 18.5K to 26K on NASDAQ options. He traded NASDAQ here. So, NASDAQ went down a lot today. Anyway, so yeah, he went full ape mode, all in NASDAQ puts, and kept losing, doubling down, and somehow he actually turned a fat profit. So yeah, 7.5K today. Congrats, dude. But again, you should probably walk away while you're ahead, because eventually you keep doing this, you're gonna blow it up. I promise you that. So 7.5K. You know, congrats. Yeah, just walk away. Walk away while you're ahead. You're most likely gonna lose it back. So, give you the J-Pal, but yeah, resist gambling again if you can, dude. Cool. Man, these D-gens are hitting the lotto, huh? What up, Roller? What's up? No Powerball winner, now $1.4 billion. Did you buy Powerball? I did not. You better buy Powerball? Alright, I'll do it. 1.4 billion, huh? What's the record? Alright, let's get to the lost coin. By Facebook friend 1. Lost coin with peak of 55K. I now DoorDash and Uber Eats for gambling money. Just gotta sneeze, my bad. Hope you have a job, like a real job. Anyway, so 1 year. What happened here, bro? Should have cashed out up here. I don't know what this was. This spike. And he had another spike. You gotta cash out twice. But nope. Had to diamond hands it to the ground. So in the past year, down 14K, 96%. Oh, February 15th, 2023. He was up 42K, which was 300%. But nope, had to gamble it. Gave it all back and more. So, $50,000 swing. $55,000 swing. You gotta be kidding me, bro.
And it's gone.
So, moral of the story is, if you're gambling in your head, you should probably quit. Yeah. Did he make it on Tesla? Anyway, so, yeah, I think he did Tesla options there. Well, yeah, guys, this is what happens when you gamble. And like the other guys, they ran it up massively. But this is probably what happens if you continue to go back and gamble. You're going to lose it all back and more. So, moral of the story is don't gamble, don't FD, and if you do and you manage to actually make money, sell it and don't look back. So, yeah, epic lost corn here. Go. Alright, by Connect Pay 5529. I'm a terrible trader. Laugh at my all-time, please. I tried to see if I could hit the lotto again, but I'm just regarded. Alright, so at one point the guy ran it up to 60K and has since ran it down 52K, so $112,000 swing here.
And it's gone.
Again, if you're gambling and you're up this much, just cash out, never look back. These guys think they're geniuses. They go back, try to scratch the itch, and proceed to lose everything and more. So, yeah. Doesn't say what he did either. But probably SPY, meme stocks, bunch of FDs. So this is what's going to happen if you don't cash out when you gamble. So guys, yes, don't gamble. If you do, cash out while you're ahead. Mega. Alright, last one. By OMG, oh my god, Josh 925. Never back down, never what? Alright, so I heard all good traders quit right before they hit it big, so I never quit. So he started on Vanguard. So he blew up 15. How'd you get 15K when you were 20, dude? He went to Robinhood, started trading 3x. My bad, guys. Got TFs and various biotechs. You gotta be kidding me. And eventually discovered options and lost all my money again when I was 22. Took a break and YOLO'd 15K more in SPY and Zoom weekly puts of 2022 and rode for a second. Are we back? Are we back? I think we're back. Man, I don't know why the connection keeps cutting out today. But I think we're back. Alright, where was I? Wait, are you live or am I having connection problems? No, it's me, dude. I don't know what's up with the internet today. Can you hear me at least? Because I think it's buffering. Hold on. Alright. What the hell? You know, it's like every time we can't go without technical difficulties. This hasn't even haven't happened before. It's really weird because the frames aren't dropping and I'm connected, but it says it's not a good connection. I don't know if it's OBS or YouTube or what, but I'm having some connectivity problems at the moment. Alright, now it's green, so we should be back. Alright, my bad, guys. Got some internet issues at the moment, but should be good now. Let's finish up. This is the last YOLO. Oh my god, and it just went red again. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's finish up quickly before we're gonna be sitting here waiting for the internet to reconnect. Powerball is $2 billion. Alright, so that's probably gonna be shattered within the next few months. Alright, anyway, back to this. So he went all into options, 3x ETFs, poop coins, and TLDR. Never go full regard, buy big names, and never go all in or be a loser probably. Alright, so he's giving financial advice here. So, real quick, let's check it out. Alright, so in Vanguard, he's down 14K all time. Robinhood, he's down 57K all time. And Coinly, I don't know what that is, but Coinly, he's down 82K all time. So, all in all, so 70, so 90, 140. So he's down 155K, 154K approximately all time on poop coins, options, and 3x ETFs.
And it's gone.
I don't know why the internet is so bad right now. It's getting me mad. Anyway, so, right. So, full regard here. Blew up 150K. Going full 8 mode. So, not much to say here. Don't do this. Don't do this. Maybe you might want to inverse yourself from now on, dude. Probably make a lot of money doing that. But, yeah. Super regard. Super regard. So, don't really feel too bad. This is totally your fault. But, hopefully you learned your lesson by now and stop FDing. You know, in the grand scheme of things, you're still young, and 155K is not the end of the world. So, I hope you learn your lesson, and hopefully you come back and you practice responsible investing / trading. Thanks for the lost coin. Alright. So, that is all our YOLOs for today, and that is the show for today. You on Wi-Fi, Ty? If you're on Wi-Fi, you gotta try cable connection. Yeah, I am on Wi-Fi, but you gotta upgrade your computer, bro. Probably. I probably need to get a desktop. I am on Wi-Fi because I do need a new computer. Well, I just need to reload. What I need to do is actually reload my operating system, because for some reason the drivers, getting kind of technical here. My wired connection drivers just disappeared. So even when I plug in my computer to the internet, it doesn't take the wired connection. And I tried to reinstall the drivers, and for some reason it doesn't work. So I either have to get a new computer or reinstall Windows. I'd rather reinstall Windows because it's actually not the computer. The computer is fine. I mean, obviously, I could use a better computer for streaming, but it works. You know, it's not. I don't need a new computer, but it's mainly the Wi-Fi, and yeah, I don't know why the drivers stopped working, but I have to fix that. I just haven't gotten around to it. So yes, I'm on Wi-Fi, but I've been on Wi-Fi for a long time now, and for some reason today it's really acting up. Actually, just for that last 10 minutes, it was acting up, because now it's totally fine. Yes, I already know all this. But, yeah, if anything, I just need to reload I need to, visuals are still bad. Yeah, it's, I think YouTube and OBS are having a problem staying connected today. That's what it seems like, because it's usually not this bad at all. Maybe I disconnect once or twice, real quick, but today it's having a problem staying on. Anyway, so at least we're running into technical difficulties at the very end here, because we're done with the show. But yeah, when I get some time, I should really just reload Windows and get this fixed. Hey, I'm a trader. I'm not a social media guy. I'm not a technical guy. I just trade stonks. So I apologize for the technical difficulties. Don't know why it's so bad today. Anyway, so one more scan before we get out of here. This is ridiculous. Like, it literally keeps dropping. Like, I see it on OBS here. It just can't stay connected. So hopefully tomorrow it's better. But yeah, by far this is the worst day. This is yeah, let's just get out of here, because this is getting me real mad. I don't think it's the Wi-Fi. It's definitely YouTube or OBS today. Or both. Because this does not happen. Usually does not happen. Alright, so let's keep an eye on CMRA and LODE. And this stock RCON is starting to move here, so let's keep an eye on that as well. Alright, so let's put it in order real quick for RCON, and then let's get out of here. Actually, probably not even. Yeah. Yeah, so nothing really happening post-market here. Keep an eye on CMRA and LODE. Okay. Alright, guys. So that is the show for today. So a really short and chill show. About 1 hour here. I don't know why this keeps disconnecting at the very... This keeps disconnecting now. So I apologize for the technical difficulties today, guys. I think that's on YouTube, though. This usually does not happen. But, anyway. So, pretty chill show. Nothing really going on. Not much price action, not much news, not any significant news at least. And no live rainbow bearing. Slow post market today. So if anything else happens, I will put it on Discord. But if not, I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Yeah, this is so weird. The frames, it's not the computer. The frames are fine. But the connection keeps dropping. That's so weird. Anyway, alright guys. Appreciate everyone. You know, pretty slow show today and connection problems, but appreciate everyone. So, yeah. Catch you guys back on Discord and back here tomorrow. Let's get out of here. Alright. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video. Please subscribe and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Gambling Show. Man, it keeps dropping. This is crazy. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Gambling. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.